Hi, how are you today? Dubai, located in the United Arab Emirates, is one of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world. It has become a business hub and a tourist destination. Today, I invite you to check in the video the negotiation style of the Emiratis. Negotiating with managers from the United Arab Emirates. Dubai is a unique environment in that over 85% of the residents are expatriates and less than 10% of its population is considered local, Emirati. Today, the United Arab Emirates is a modern country with a highly diversified economy, with Dubai, its key city, serving as a global hub for retail, tourism, and finance. Emiratis combine modern and traditional views in their interaction with other cultures. In Dubai, technology, media, and finance business can be easily established and wholly owned by foreigners in the free trade zones, especially economic zones set up with the objective of offering tax concessions and custom benefits to expatriate investors. It is interesting to note that some view the reason for the United Arab Emirates being the home of immigrants from all over the world is that the United Arab Emirates nationals feel there is some sort of shame in working in the private sector and resist these jobs, creating the need for expatriates to fill this out. Most Emiratis prefer to work in public sector. Only 34% of private sector workforce is Emirati. Its society is divided up into tribes, and there is a strong honor system among the people who are extremely loyal, first to their immediate families, then their extended families, and finally to the country. When doing business with Emiratis, be sensitive to the presence of elderly people and show them respect. Address people by their title and adopt a formal business approach. It is best to understand and respect Islamic traditions when conducting business. Touching women or engaging eye contact with women is against local customs. Arab negotiators place emphasis on building relationships and use reference power, referred often as wasta. Political uncertainty influences the bargaining power of the Arab negotiators, and political volatility in the country influences the Arab managers' use of time during negotiators. The culture of sharing and participation is intrinsic to the Emirati culture. The term majlis is used to describe a formal legislative assembly and a physical place for social gathering. Most homes in the Gulf have majlis, where the head of the family hosts guests. The one thing that has not changed is the degree to which Emirati culture resonates with Islamic values. 57% of Emirati youth agree that traditional values are meaningful and ought to be preserved for future generations. Emirati traditional values such as giving back, respecting others, treating people equally, being family-oriented, and maintaining one's identity are values that stem from Islam. The United Arab Emirates rank high on power distance, evidence acceptance of hierarchical order where everyone has his or her own place. Inequalities and centralization are common, and a benevolent autocratic leadership is present. This country has a collectivistic culture. People foster strong relationships with a long-term commitment and a preference for strong group cohesion. Loyalty is paramount. In regards to masculinity, this country ranks in the middle of the scale. However, it has uncertainty avoidance. Society adopts rigid codes of behavior. The United Arab Emirates has undergone a transformation. Today, there is a generational willingness to be bold, try new things, and be more tolerant to change. In addition, the encouragement of entrepreneurial activities and innovation has been accelerated by the national agenda.